Think about this for a second. You open WhatsApp not just to chat, but to plan trips, search information, or even create images. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, in 2025, that future is already here. WhatsApp just rolled out its most powerful update yet, with smarter AI, stronger privacy, and tools that finally make your chats faster and easier to manage. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now so you don't miss out on more updates like this. The first big update is the arrival of Meta AI inside WhatsApp. This is a game changer because now you can use AI directly in your chats without needing another app. You can ask it to summarize long group conversations, provide helpful suggestions, or plan tasks like shopping lists, appointments, or weekend getaways. The standout addition is image generation, which takes WhatsApp far beyond just text messaging. You can describe anything you want. A birthday cake with blue balloons, a dog wearing sunglasses, or even a funny meme. And Meta AI will generate the image instantly right inside your chat. This update is rolling out to more countries, so check if it's already available in your region. The second update is the new screen share feature during video calls. This is something WhatsApp users have been waiting for, because it finally makes the app more than just a chat tool. Now, you can share your screen to show photos, slides, documents, or even help a family member fix a setting on their phone. It works just like Zoom or Google Meet, but directly inside WhatsApp. This is especially useful for quick meetings or remote help without installing any extra apps. Next up, WhatsApp has added disappearing voice messages. You probably know about disappearing photos and texts, but now voice messages can vanish too after being played once. This makes private conversations much more secure. Imagine sharing a quick password, a surprise plan, or sensitive info without worrying that the recording will stay forever. Once the person listens, it disappears automatically, keeping your chats lighter and safer. The fourth feature is all about privacy. WhatsApp already allowed you to lock chats, but now you can add a secret code or even use your fingerprint. This means your most private conversations are hidden even if someone opens your phone. You could set a unique password that only you know, separate from your phone's lock. For anyone who shares a device or just values maximum security, this is a feature worth setting up immediately. Another new feature is advanced chat privacy controls. This update is designed to protect your data from being misused. With this setting, others cannot export your chats, auto-download media from your conversations, or use your messages for AI features without permission. It puts more control back in your hands, especially when chatting with people you don't fully trust or when handling sensitive discussions. Finally, WhatsApp now supports multiple accounts on the same phone. This is huge for people who want to keep work and personal life separate. Instead of carrying two phones or constantly logging in and out, you can now switch between accounts in just a few taps. Each account has its own notifications, privacy settings, and contacts, which makes it super convenient. So there you have it. Meta AI for smarter chats, screen sharing for video calls, disappearing voice messages, secret code protection, advanced chat privacy, and the ability to use multiple accounts on one phone. WhatsApp is finally catching up to what we all needed. Which feature do you think is the most useful for your daily life? Drop a comment and let us know. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next update.